Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable system clock synchronization on Ubuntu using one simple built-in tool. Keeping your system time accurate helps with your security software updates and network communication. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So what we are going to do is we are going to enable clock sync using Timedatectl. So let's use the Ubuntu built-in tool called Timedatectl. It helps you manage time and date settings from the terminal. First, open your terminal by pressing Ctrl+Alt+T on your keyboard, or you can just simply open the app settings and open terminal over here. It's totally up to you. Now this will run a simple command to enable time synchronization. You can find the command in the description box below. And now just simply paste the command. Now before that, what this will do is this enables automatic syncing with the internet time servers using Ubuntu's built-in time service. So hit enter. Now to confirm that the synchronization is working, this particular command over here, so just simply hit enter. So over here we will look for a line that says system clock synchronized yes. That means your system clock is now automatically syncing with the official time servers. So that's it. Your Ubuntu system is now syncing time with the internet servers in the background. I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.